Well, hello everybody. I'm back. And today I'm going to show you how to do leopard print. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do leopard print nails. So I've already taken off the gel polish I had on these, and I'm just going to clean them off with a little bit of acetone first. Okay, so for our leopard print today, I wanted to do some non-traditional colors. So I'm going to be doing pink and black, these colors. Let's see, I'm going to start with, we'll start with this finger, and first you're just going to put your base color down. On this one, I'm going to do the light pink, but I forgot something first. Okay, back. Putting on the light pink base color. Please excuse this eye. My allergies are so bad today. My nose, my eyes, particularly this one, just like won't stop itching and running. I'm going to do a third coat on this because I have some black acrylic on under there, and I just want to really make sure and cover it. Okay, so now we're going to do little spots, and I'm going to take a little dish and put some of this fuchsia color, a couple drops in there. Okay, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Then I'm going to take a dotting tool, just make little squiggly motions, kind of all over. Just kind of in random spots. Okay, see? Almost like cow markings. I'm just gonna cure those for 30 seconds. I'm gonna clean off the dotting tool. Now I'm gonna do something similar, but with the black. And this time you're gonna do the same thing, but only on each side of this little squiggle marks you already made. So So like this. Yeah. And then do that for each one, each of the spots that you already made. Just kind of randomly. If it looks too uniform, it won't look real. Not that pink leopard looks real. And then in between the negative space there, I'm just going to make very fine little squiggles. Cure that. Okay, so I'm going to top coat this now. I'm going to use a matte top coat. I just think that would look interesting. Okay, yeah, I like it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do the same thing on all the other fingers, but I'm gonna mix up the color combinations. So this one we'll do a black base. And I need to get some light pink in here. Okay, now I'm going to do the hot pink for the next underneath color. I'm going to do black for the inside markings. And then the light pink for the outside markings. And for my pinky, I'm going to do this one again. All right, so I am going to top coat the rest of these, and then I'll do my thumb separately to match this one. I always bump my thumb for some reason, so I have to do it separate from all the rest. So it needs its own time. Oh, cute. Should have done these for Valentine's Day. Next year. Okay, let's do the thumb. Alrighty. I like. It's cute. I'm going to do this hand and be set. This is a good design to do for your non-dominant hand, since it's okay to be messy. Alrighty. all done. It's so cute. Oh, just need some cuticle oil on. Okay, now I'm done. I love them. They're so cool. They go with my sweater. So yeah, give this a try. It's very simple design. Get a little bit closer there. Pretty easy to do. And you can use this technique for other designs. Clouds, other stuff. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload new videos, because you don't want to miss them, right? Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.